Welcome back, welcome back. Guys, you need to clean your vacuum, and I don't mean just emptying the canister. I have a Shark. It's a canister vacuum, bagless. It also has extendable reach tools with it. So follow along with me. If you have a Shark or if you have something else, just start taking it apart. Remember how you took it apart so you can put it back together. This is a filter, we have a filter and a pre-filter in here. That one was a sponge. This one probably needs to be replaced. I'm going to have to order another one. Okay, and the sponge is awesome because it can just be rinsed out. There's a little bit of hair there. But rinse around the entire thing. Pay special attention to the center. Yeah, that middle spot tends to collect most of the dust. It's just rinsing the dust right out the bottom. And when you wring it out, you're going to see that it already looks so much better. Let's give it one more final rinse. You can even buy replacements for these. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. All right, now we need to just rinse the entire canister. We're going to go super speed. That's gross. This is what we're rinsing out. All that dust bunnies. Now we're going to take soap and water to it. There's another filter right inside my canister. It's not removable, so I'm just giving that a good scrub. An easier place to do this washing might be in a mudroom if you have that, or in a bathtub. Don't forget your attachments. My vacuum has another filter inside this little flap here. Just remove that, and that itself is kind of dusty and gross. So I'm just going to take the all-purpose cleaner to that real quick. And this filter here, it's been a while, so I forgot that it just slides right out. I'm yanking on it. That needs to be replaced. I'll have to order another one. In the meantime, you could just spray it out with some Can Air. Yeah. This part is extra gross, all right? If you or any of your family members shed a lot, you need to clean your roller. Now, I don't know, am I going to use a flathead screwdriver or scissors? I'm going to decide on the scissors here. Please be very, very careful. Don't stab yourself, slice your finger open, cut yourself, none of it, okay? Just be really careful and get to work. Most vacuums come with a tool to clean these, but I lost ours like 3 moves ago.
Wow.
Okay, now down here I have a tube. We're going to disconnect that tube and just gently wipe out the inside of it and the seal part where it connects to the vacuum. Now comes the easy part. We're just going to wipe down the outside of the vacuum. Here's another part on my vacuum that comes off. Take this out and I can put my attachments on there. So just wipe that out like the other side. Oh, she's a beaut. Ready to get back to work. Thanks, guys. See you next time.